Meet Jill. Everyone thinks she's a sourpuss because she never smiles. The truth is that she doesn't like the color of her teeth. Teeth can be discolored by aging, genetic factors, or diet. Beverages like coffee, tea, and red wine cause stains very easily too. Smoking is one of the worst culprits. Jill has recently learned that one of the most commonly practiced procedures in cosmetic dentistry is tooth whitening. You can have your teeth whitened in your dentist office or get a take-home kit to do it yourself. There are even some over-the-counter products that can improve stained teeth. Jack here lacks confidence in his smile. His teeth are nice and straight, but they're not as white as he'd like. There are two kinds of tooth discoloration: extrinsic, damage that affects the outer layer of the tooth called the enamel. Intrinsic stains are below the outer layer and can involve more extensive work to correct. No matter which type of whitening you choose, the ingredient at the heart of the procedure is likely to be hydrogen peroxide. Fillings, caps, veneers, and crowns won't be affected, so if you're planning restorations, you should do the whitening first. Jack and Jill both had their smiles brightened. They're more confident, outgoing, and, well, you know how this one ends.